Okay, so what we've got is cable on the daily, just broken through that level of support there, and it's in a downtrend. Let's look it up on the 5-minute chart here in the window above. We can see that it's below the main blue pivot line there, and it's formed a little bit of support. So I'm going to jump to my trading screen and pick up sterling, which, as I enlarge the screen here, British pound against US dollar. I'm going to sell it. I'll put 30 lots in here, which is the equivalent of $300 per pip. So every pip it moves in my favour, I make $300. So every pip it moves against me, I would lose $300 per pip. Excuse me, I'm getting that trade on live now, and the reason I'm doing that is because this trade has got legs, and I want it to now run. The reason it's got legs is it's broken through the daily. And let's just organise my screens a little bit here. Let me just sort of move that one down. The reason I believe it's got legs is because it's broken the daily and it's below the pivot on the 5-minute chart. Remember, the futures and floor traders are using those main pivot lines on the 5-minute chart to show us exactly whether we should be buying or selling a currency. So when multiple traders from multiple time frames are agreeing, we've got a good signal. So you can see here, look, it's below that main pivot line. It is now just looking to break through that midpoint on the 5-minute, which is where we've placed our entry, and we can now put a stop above that chart. We're now going to let this thing run, and we're just going to let it run for the whole trading session. It's been up, it's hit that main. Notice how it hit that main pivot line from before, and it's got a good run distance. Let me just click on my fib extension tool, which I've modified here slightly, just to measure the potential, and that means it's got a potential of 130 pips to run. I'm not even going to try and take anywhere near 130 pips, because I'm just going to do another one of these quick trades for you guys to show you how long or what can be made in a period of time. But I am going to let this run and look to see what can be collected. Just jumping back to my trading screen here, you can see that I've got, this is the open position. I'm just going to modify the font of the open position here, just so you can see it's a bit, so you can actually see the running P&L. You can see I'm up like, I don't know, $1,400. The goal here really is just to see what can be done. Let's keep it going and see what can be pulled off this trade. Okay, so it's now time to take that trade off the table. Notice that we have some support forming here at this S1 level here. Trade's fallen quite well. We've let it run overnight. We are Thursday, 6th of May, so we've got the general election in the UK today, as well as we have non-farm payrolls coming out tomorrow in the United States. So there's lots of news activity coming up, and it's time to take our profits. So let's lock this trade down. Here we have the position running, gross P&L 16,000. Let's take the position off the table, so we hit close, and yeah, we will close the position down here, placing our close to buy, which is our 30 lots, and yeah, that trade is now locked, so that's 16,700. Good trade, and let's move on and do another one.